Hi friends, welcome to IT Report. In this session we are going to see about temporary tables in SQL Server. What is meant by temporary tables? In SQL Server provides the concept of temporary table which helps the developer in a great way. These tables can be created at runtime and can do all kinds of operations that a normal table can do. But based on the table types, the scope is limited. These tables are created inside TempDB database. This lifetime is based on the current scope. When the scope is completed, the temporary tables automatically deleted. There are two types of temporary tables in SQL Server, and we can consider the table variable as a temporary table. So, three types of temporary tables available in SQL Server. One is local temporary tables, second one is global temporary tables, third one is table variables. What does mean by local temporary tables? Local temporary tables are only available to the current connection for the user, and they are automatically deleted when the user disconnects from instances. Local temporary table started with #sign. Let us check with this local temporary tables. We consider the table select star from employee table. Here I want to go to create temporary table syntax with #sign. So local temp on employee. So just with employee ID, employee name and employee number. These three columns. So local temporary table. You must include this again. So the table was created. Now the table we can see with TempDB database. There the temporary tables category, and check. That is, this table was stored in the local temp employee. So the temporary tables are stored in TempDB databases and use its memory here. Okay, we insert this table. The values from select employee ID, employee name, employee number from employee table. So just check out and pass the values to the table. So now we can get the local temp employee. So this lifetime is based on this scope. If we close this scope, the temporary tables list was updated, refreshed. Then if we want to fetch out that from so there is no local temporary table. It was dropped off. So this is the local temporary tables. Okay. Next we consider global temporary tables. Global temporary tables now starts with a double hash. Local temporary tables has single hash. Here double. Once this table has been created by connection like a permanent table, it's then available to any user by any connection. It can only be deleted once all connections have been closed. There's been the created when the created connection closed, it was removed. Now let us check with this global temporary tables. Here they are same using double hash. So global temp on with the same in both temporary tables we can use primary key, foreign key, unique key constraints, clustered. See, now the table was created in the TempDB database. You can refresh. So we can see here. Here insert values to the global variables. So just set it. So now again I create a local table for compare. So we have one local and the global temporary. Here we created local temporary tables and one global temporary tables. Here just create one new query window, that is new connection to the database. Here I can execute with the data, but I cannot with local, which was created in the local system only. So this is the difference. Global is the all users can use the global temporary tables. Local temporary tables are only used in that current session or scope or connection. If the connection was closed, the both temporary tables are deleted when the connection have been closed. So these are the example for global temporary tables. If we close the instances, we cannot see here. The tables are dropped. We cannot fetch from there. So these are the global temporary tables. The third one is table variables, alternative of temporary table. It's similar to local temporary table. Alternative of temporary table is a table variable which can do all kinds of operations that we can perform in a temporary table. But we cannot create non-trusted index and check constraints and default constraints in table variables. Table variables syntax for this is declare at tbl variable as table, here employee id, this is the syntax for this, and employee name, and employee number. It's a table variable. Declare the variable and assign the columns for that. Here we use as a table, select number from employee table and fetch with the variable. So simple. This is only for that scope only. We can use this apart from this procedure. So it's declare in that scope. So the table variables only for that current scope. And when comparing with temporary tables, we cannot create non-clustered and check constraints and default constraints here, but we can use primary key, that's a cluster index. The three temporary tables are used TempDB to store the data and process. So these type of temporary tables are available in SQL Server. Working with this, we can improve our performance. Hope this session will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.